Welcome to our first lesson in the project management course. In this lesson, we will provide an overview of project management and discuss what makes it such an essential skill for businesses and organizations today. So, what exactly is project management? Project management is the practice of planning, executing, and closing work to achieve specific goals and meet specific success criteria within a time frame. It involves organizing resources, managing timelines, and ensuring that project objectives are met. Think of a project management as the art and science of getting things done efficiently, whether it's a launching a new product, organizing an event, or implementing a business strategy. Project management is what drives success. Project management has become a critical discipline because organizations are increasingly relying on structured approaches to complete complex tasks. Without effective project management, projects can easily fail due to poor planning, lack of coordination, or resource issues. In this course, you will learn the skills, tools, and techniques needed to become an effective project manager. Project lifecycle phases. There are 5 phases in the project lifecycle. Every project has a life cycle, which is a series of phases that guide the project from start to finish. In this lesson, we will explore the 5 key phases of the project life cycle. Phase number 1, initiation. The project begins with the initiation phase. This is where the project's objectives are defined, a project charter is created, and key stakeholders are identified. It is the foundation upon which the project is built. Phase number 2, planning. Once the project is initiated, it moves into the planning phase. Here, detailed plans are created for scope, time, cost, quality, risk, and communications. The planning phase is critical because it provides the roadmap that guides the project team. Phase number 3, execution. In the execution phase, the project team carries out the tasks defined in the plan. Resources are allocated, work is performed, and the project manager ensures everything is running smoothly. Communication and coordination are key during this success. In this phase, monitoring and controlling. While the execution is ongoing, the project also enters the monitoring and controlling phase. This involves tracking progress, managing changes, and making sure the project stays on track according to the plan. It's about detecting issues early and taking corrective action. Closure, the final phase of the project life cycle. Finally, we have the closure phase. This is where the project is formally completed, deliverables are handed over, documentation is finalized, and the project team is released. It is also the time to review what went well and what could be improved in future projects. Understanding these phases helps to ensure that no critical steps are missed and that the project is managed in structured and manner and logical way. Key roles and responsibilities is to succeed. In this lesson, we will break down some of the key roles involved in the project management and what each person is responsible for. Project manager. The project manager is the person who is responsible for overseeing the entire project. They are the central figure who coordinates activities, manages resources, and ensure the project is delivered on time, within scope, and within budget. They are also responsible for managing risks and communicating with stakeholders. Project sponsor. Sponsor is a senior executive or key stakeholder who provides support and resources for the project. They act as a champion for the project within the organization and are responsible for approving major decisions and changes. Team members. These are the individuals who carry out the actual work of the project. They come from various departments or disciplines and bring specialized skills needed to achieve the project objectives. Stakeholders. Stakeholders are any individuals or groups who have an interest in the project. This includes customers, users, team members, and executives. Stakeholder management is a key responsibility of the project manager because satisfying stakeholder needs is critical for project success. Project steering committee. For larger projects, there may be a steering committee composed of senior managers who provide guidance and make high-level decisions. Each of these roles is essential for ensuring that the project is planned, executed, and completed successfully. A clear understanding of roles and responsibilities helps to avoid confusion, overlap, and gaps in the project team's efforts. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified of our latest videos.